my name is Natalie Martinez, and I will be presenting my instructional design plan for spring 2021. Who are my students? My learners are students who attend Chapman Middle School and High School in Kansas. They do not have a library on site or a librarian on site at each school, so being able to use online resources on their own is imperative. They do have a district librarian and a library technician that come visit their schools in a bookmobile, so they get a library experience. However, they do not have an on-site librarian that can help them with everyday questions. So being able to use online databases on their own independently is absolutely crucial for their school success. The strengths of my learners are that they are already versatile with using technology and are very familiar with browsing the internet. They are knowledgeable with using Google Scholar and Wikipedia to complete their assignments, and they each have their own iPads and laptops given by their schools to complete their assignments. And all of these skills are transferable towards using their own scholarly databases provided by their school. Materials that we will be using are the electronic devices such as the iPads and the Chromebooks provided by their schools, screencast recordings, online website. The one that I am using is GoFormative, where they can access their lessons 24/7, and they can access quizzes and information guides to help them remember what they just learned, and also give them confidence while they use their quick recall skills. The learning goals of my learners are that middle school and high school students will be able to select high quality articles and first-hand and second-hand resources for their middle school projects. They will be able to identify the importance of sources when it comes to preventing using fake news or articles. They should be able to find at least 3 relevant articles that they can use for their homework assignments, and they will be able to use Boolean phrases such as and, or, and not while they are doing advanced search to browse through different relevant articles. Learning outcomes are that they will be able to effectively utilize library resources and databases to select relevant articles for their school projects. They will have more confidence when searching through the vast resources of a database, which will help them with preventing anxiety, and the more confidence that they have using databases will also prevent them from procrastinating before completing their assignments. And middle school and high school students will be able to pick appropriate databases to select articles. There are more outcomes. Learners should be able to easily identify tools and parameters that they can use to refine their search results to get more specific desired results. Learners will be very comfortable and enjoy using Boolean phrases, and they will acquire literacy skills that they can transfer to different databases on their school website and on towards college and life as well. Literacy skills is a skill that you need for the rest of your life. On the GoFormative website, they can access quizzes that will evaluate how well they learned the knowledge. I will also be asking them for feedback. I have a short evaluation where they can tell me what they enjoyed, what they didn't enjoy, and ways that I can constantly improve the lesson. Thank you so much for your time and for listening to my instructional design plan. Thank you.